IMUSA Molcajete. It's beautiful. It's granite. This is a piece of art. This is a beautiful, well done, and yes, I will give it more than 5 stars. It's heavy. Wow. It's a beautiful product. Highly recommended, and the price is amazing. Come with one recipe and a website that you can get more recipes, but this is the thing. Beautiful. It's all natural, handmade. You can see just a piece of art, and also you can use it because it's a molcajete granite, so it doesn't affect the flavors of the food or the spices. Excellent. Very happy.
Have that. You could use dry cherry, that would be fine. And now a little